Agnes Best is here. So today I got reminded about one of those fake YouTube traders, that are typical rise on the rise. Actually, it's been already for many years. Already also on pocket option and binary trading in general. What they do, they basically show every video a different strategy. This is right there a proof they are not traders because normally you need to have just one strategy and stick to it. And after a few years, you'll be lucky to be actually basically profitable. And when you focus and improve even more, you are then really becoming a guru and expert in that in that area in that system. This is the only way. And not doing every day something else. This is a loser's game. So that's right there should tell you something. But let's just focus on one indicator. I mean, one strategy with indicators in this debunking video. And I'm not going to name any people. I don't need to put down anybody. So let's go. Here is exactly the setup they used. Keltner channel 77701. Basically, they many times they choose seven just not because they analyzed and they have statistics and they test it like many years. They just choose seven because it's their favorite number. It's mostly Russians. They like seven. It's like Tritapara. Basically, it was even with some movie was what is it? Some website with movies advertisements. They like seven. Russians are like likes the number seven. So this is their strategy. They just choose by the lucky numbers here, 7 as well, of course. CCI indicator. Okay, let's go. And here we have stochastic 7, of course, again. And they like to put 2 pixels for strong lines for some reason to see even less the price action, probably. So don't need to. Okay, so let's see. And if you don't know, like CCI, overbought, overbought. But they actually, if you notice, they don't even use them uh, exactly how they say they should use them. So this should be basically signal to sell, but many times they just go up, even though it goes to sell and it's stochastic. Something similar, basically, I will not go into details. They work sometimes and sometimes don't, like everything in life. And this is what they capitalize on, like those little moments of win. So it's like half truths. But basically, if you want to be really profitable in trading, you need to be a lot more like the win ratio. It needs to be a lot higher, not just like one time it works, one time it doesn't. And also, you need to have a strategy that allows you to have a lot of trades and confident trades and in a short period of time or at a specific hour, like especially for Forex. Like you go to the charts when a session opens, depending on your live, like London session or New York session, Asian session. I don't really recommend Asian sessions, but there are people who trade as well there, or New York Stock Exchange. You can trade at those openings. You have a lot of volume, a lot of you know price chart movement. So this is one type of trading style. And here, if you just follow these like indicators, you can very easily get to something like this. And you think like, okay, we are at the bottom of the Keltner channel, or it doesn't matter what channel, like which channel, like Bollinger Bands, everything is basically all the same, just wrapped up in different paper. So here, what happens when you follow these indicators, you can just very easily think like, okay, here you don't see the right side. So basically, okay, I should start speaking a little bit slower probably, but no problem. You can just rewind if you don't get. I also put the captions for some people who didn't catch my um, words. So as I was saying here, let's see, we have a Keltner strategy, Keltner channel strategy. Here we are expecting, okay, here we have some, even we can connect it with some support resistance. I will be debunking that as well later. So, and see, look, this is very nice situation. We have a bottom, oversold, you know. Here we are also oversold and stochastic, you can see. Stochastic actually wants to go up the blue line. Look, so this is a very nice situation. So let's go. Also, it doesn't matter if you have like 30 seconds here, 1 minute here, so we will give like more time for like we will have two candles, so we will have more time to actually go our direction like up. It doesn't matter like what's your strategy. Look, like okay, we have more time, 1 minute, and let's see everything. All indicators are on our side. Let's go. So we go up. Okay, let's just go up when we have like even green candles. So let's go up. And what happens? We go down. So we just lost. Okay, now you can go here and you can think like, okay, no, this is the right situation. But remember, we already have one loss, and you actually don't even know like what happened. So this is right there a very good sign for your strategy. You should never be like, oh, what happened? Your strategy needs to be high win rate. Okay, we can now talk debate like in forex you don't need to have high win rate, but in you have like high risk to reward ratio. So in forex you can have like 1 to 5, but here you have even less than 1 to 1. You have 92% at best. You can see 92% is the best payout. So you have like, less, you have less, and actually the average is maybe like 88%. You have a lot less than 1 to 1. So you need to be really uh, on the higher scale of winning ratio. And here you can see we just lost. And here, let's see, are we gonna win? We have some positive, actually. And if you enter on open candles, you would enter here, on this wick. But what happens? We go down. And okay, we have like 1 minute. So we have two candles reserve. But what happened? We lost, or maybe barely won. But basically, statistically, this is a loss. And still, as you see, indicators are showing us, oh, we are in a great situation. We should go, up. We are even on a okay. Let's see. We are on a support. Then we are on the bottom of Keltner channel. Then we are on the bottom. We are all sold here. You see, look, the blue line. We are even stochastic. Like we should go up, signaling going up. We are very very low on CCI indicator. We are also oversold. So let's see. The same situation all the time, and we are just look. We are losing. We are losing. We got caught in a what accumulation, consolidation. This is this is the problem of trading. That in the hindsight, you can always find some very nice situations where you thought like, oh, how greatly it worked. Like now you can think falsely that you have a good strategy, but you actually don't, because look, and you don't know how long it's gonna take. You don't know how long you are going to be trapped in this. This is actually a very good example. You are just trapped in a consolidation. Of course, now you can realize that, okay, I will try to not trade this pattern anymore, and I will just go when I see like some energy. Okay, so here, probably, yeah, you would just go, but of course, you would be in a loss already, so your psychology would be different. But let's say you would be following some specific rules, like I will enter when it goes, because also they trade these channels not only when it bounces from the walls, but also like outside. So here they have maybe confidence, like here not probably, because it's still inside. They are also shaken up from their losses here. So let's see here. But look, we have nice green. Sorry, I had to step out for a moment, but I am back. So, where were we? Analyzing, yeah, this breakout of the Keltner channel. Let's go. So, you can see a fake YouTube trader who thinks he can trade. He would basically go up over here. Look, we have a green candle, strong green candles, strong trend. We are about to take these highs. So of course on this wick, before that it was just nice green candle. The red candle appeared only when it was about to close, and it closed here. But here on the impulse move, they would get probably, and many of them would just go and hit higher. And what would happen? They would simply lose. So 30-second chart, two candles, they would end up somewhere around here, depending and where this one ended, but it doesn't matter. It would be always around here. Loss. So this is what I'm talking about. I'm not going to prolong this explanation anymore. You can basically get the picture. Here again, consolidation. And here you can think like, okay, we are going down. Okay, this is the last one, guys. You can think like, oh, we are going down, bouncing from the top of the Keltner channel wall, but no, look at this surprise. So basically, we go here, I confirmed, okay, red candle confirmed. We have nice stochastic, we are going down, right? No, look, we are actually just consolidating one more time, the same as here. Basically, really, guys, trust me, the reason why I trade just one strategy and just the best one that I have developed over many years of trading stocks, forex, crypto, programming bots, programming indicators, and blah blah blah. You can imagine, you actually cannot imagine how much work I have put in there. Basically, it's almost okay. I don't want like to talk too much about myself, but basically, it's almost impossible to do even more work. I have been doing this years and all day, every day. And it's my hobby to just be perfectionist in everything that I see potential at. So I love trading. I see the potential. I've always seen the potential. And these are the fruits of my hard work. I developed great strategy for Forex and also for binary options and I teach them the forex you can find on my website and binary options VIP you can see in the description of this video. Contact on me and you will get access to my VIP where I teach it, and that's how you can really finally find a working strategy, not these different fake guru strategies jumping from one to another half truth methods. And this is actually very sad because some of them they believe they have their system like they really believe they are traders. Some of them, you know, and when they trade even on higher time frames, they actually, especially in forex, this happens especially in forex. If they trade on higher time frames, they actually will never find out, or in many years, that they are not traders because they don't have the possibility to experience uh, enough chart patterns, like to see enough chart patterns to actually find out which one works, which one doesn't, and if actually they have some profitable system. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Hopefully it was not a too long video and you got something valuable from here and you learned something. And I will make sure to talk also about the other strategies and debunking them, other strategies that you can find on YouTube. And it doesn't matter how they smile, how they try to make you believe it's the right strategy. It basically, you can only trust the right analysis, how you need to analyze, test, of course, for yourself. Don't trust anybody, but only, you can trust people more if they show you actually some unedited, sessions, whole sessions. The way how I do it, this is the reason why I don't edit my sessions. You can see the whole process. You can see it was not like cherry picked, or I don't know. You can see many winning trades in a row. You can see the system. Basically, you can get idea about my strategy. Of course, you need to go to my VIP to actually understand it, but you get the idea that there is some statistics. Like you can see, okay, this is something that works. But these fake traders, they don't provide you something like this analysis, some congruency, some system that you can see like in throughout some period of time. I do it on 5 second charts, so I can actually I am able to show you more trades in one session because it's just 5 second chart. And when they trade on 1 minute, it's basically impossible. So they cut their session also for this reason, but also because they just cannot trade basically. And I know I'm sounding like very harsh, but this is okay. Okay, I also need to say like this is my opinion, of course. Nobody is perfect, but you can imagine my opinion has some value just because of how much work I have put into trading, and the proof behind this is at least my channel. I have over 500 videos. Many months I've been doing two videos per day, two trading sessions per day. So you see that I have some knowledge. You can also see before videos for Forex. Uh, so I think that's enough to take me seriously, even just from this. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Have a nice day.